I sent Richard to do some essential shopping, and I'm out here right now to show you something truly exciting. I'm currently at a Walmart store, as you can clearly see. However, what you cannot yet perceive is the impressive and extensive fleet of advanced technology that is present here, and I am super excited to thoroughly show you and comprehensively tell you all about it. There is an entire remarkable fleet of sophisticated drones from an innovative company called Zipline, which is actively working in close collaboration with Walmart. People can actually go into the dedicated Zipline application on their phones and conveniently order a drone delivery directly from Walmart, and then quite remarkably, the drone promptly arrives at their location with their requested groceries. It's wild. And now you have the chance, Liv, to see how another one is heading out to another happy customer. Check out how gently it leaves its home and takes off. I honestly don't know how it works, whether it's automatic or remote controlled, or if someone operates it remotely from a computer. Let me know in the comments what you think. It's simply amazing. They look like little airplanes with a tail number, with a US tail number. And here comes another cute little drone coming back right now. How beautiful. Such precision, the way it lands on its home. Wow, wow, that's cool. That's precisely how I meticulously observe them. One goes out and then subsequently one comes back. Honestly, I genuinely haven't yet seen them with any deliveries at all, which is truly, truly quite interesting to me. Here comes another one. Here comes another one coming back now. How beautiful. Wow, look. The future, my dear friends, is already here and very much present. It's entirely possible that the much anticipated deliveries are just in their bellies right now, perhaps being transported as we speak. I'm going to diligently look for Richard at the local supermarket. He specifically went there to buy a few essential things for us. And I sincerely wish each and every one of you an absolutely amazing rest of your day. I truly hope this incredible technology will reach and benefit all of us very soon. And if you happen to have any thoughts or insightful opinions about it, please do write to me in the comments section below. If you thoroughly enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, giving it a like, and if at all possible, sharing it with others and leaving a thoughtful comment. We would genuinely and deeply appreciate all of your support. I have a new YouTube channel, and I would love to hear your comments.